Now it's time to create our single page template. So we have completed our home page, and if you want to visit any single page, let's say about me, it looks like this. The single page looks like this. It has some title, it has text over there, and it looks like this. If I go to edit page, and if I wanted to use about me content here, let's type, and you can also use pattern from here, and just go to text or type here about me and see if is there about me pattern. There is no pattern for about me, but let's search here, explore all the pattern, and there is no pattern for about section. I think there should have. Well, I'll be using pattern from a different place from WordPress.org, but for test purpose, let me show you the difference, which is the default page editor, how it looks like. I'm gonna use leave some lorem ipsum text here, copy and paste, update, and here you can see the about me looks like this. On the other hand, if I go to our user website, click about, it has something like this. It has a header that looks like this. After that, there is information, right? So what we can do, we can create a page that comes with a page header. So basically this is called page header, and you can use page header here, but in our website it looks like this. So if you want to use page template, simply click here and type Command K. It will not gonna work here because I'm not in editor mode. So go to editor mode and click here, type command or press Command K, page template. So pages, basically this is the template pages that I'm gonna overwrite here. It has these images. Let's remove, and now it has title and some other information. So select here and change based on our preference. I'm gonna change the title. To do so, under the primary header, I'd like to add another cover block where I'll be using this background color or a little bit darker color, and take this title or copy this one, paste here, remove this title from here and make it wide width. At the same time, I'm gonna make this title center. So I think there is no options to make this title center. Yes, here we can make it center, but somehow it's not working, and it's always hard to make things center when you're using cover block. So in that situation, what I do, basically I just create it as a group, and after that I change it still it's confusing from here. Isn't it there previously? Let's take a look at here again. Title, copy, Yes, it was there, so there is no need to group. I was just change the height here. 200 pixel is enough, and this is H1. So we have updated the title and reload. This is our page title that looks like this. There is some space at the top. Let's remove it. When I select cover and style, there is some margin. Let's remove the margin completely. And when I select title, there is some padding bottom or margin bottom. Let's remove it also and reload. It looks like this, much cleaner and fresh. So this is our page header that we have created. And to make the content area, okay, let's remove this group, it's not necessary, and make this content area wider, which is 1200 pixel. Click save and reload again. That looks perfect now. If I go to any other page anywhere, okay, the contact page, it has the page header applied globally because we have changed the page header globally, and that's why it's visible everywhere. But if I go to blog, it doesn't have the page header, and even though it doesn't have the your header and footer. So I'll show you how you can change them, but let's go to about me page and add an image here first and reload this about me page. So this is our about me page, and add a column here. Or what we can do, we can simply navigate to wordpress.org, go to patterns and search here about, hit enter, and you can see there are lots of patterns that comes with about me section, about me style, but those are not going to match your style. So this is one of the pattern that I have created a long time ago. You can use this one. This is not aligned with the design that I'm using right now, but we can use our own here. Let's select column and drag this content area here, add image, select content, make it align middle. Okay, the top is okay. Click on update, and the about page looks like this. That's okay to use, and we can add some social icon or signature here. Facebook, and let's add Twitter, LinkedIn, and add some some heading here that adds some little bit professionalism. Change it to heading, make it heading 4. And add some padding right here. Inside the column, add some padding. Okay, so padding should be right. The padding right is, I think instead using image, we can use container here. Padding left and reload. Add some border radius, 10 pixel. Reload the page. Looks great. So we have completed our about me page and also single page template.